transmission, limited slip diff, and a 6-cylinder engine. For me, cars like this are the antidote to modern life. And life, like cars, moves very fast. It's easy to become the passenger of your own journey, but driving a classic forces you to be present and in the driver's seat.
Fucking hell!
Says I can take you all in the next quarter mile.
We don't pull this job off, we're probably dead anyway. Let's make it $1 million.
I like that. All right, $1 million quarter mile.
All right then.
Only live once. Let's do it.
Smoke.
Playing football in the dirt, getting in trouble, all the stupid things we did.
No one can tell me nothing. Riding solo.
Yeah, well, not anymore.
You know this ain't no 10-second race.
I got nothing but time.
Dollars.
Let's go. Wait. I gotta start the song over.
The fuck?
Okay, go.